Let's take a look at leadership development. A time honored strategy for developing prospective, new, and practicing leaders is to enroll them in leadership development programs. Many management development programs are also aimed at leadership development. However, management development programs cover hundreds of topics within the functions of planning, organizing, controlling, and leading. No matter what business a company is in, the real business is building leaders. Without a cadre of effective current and future leaders, an organization would lose its competitive advantage. Part of the reason is that leaders are either responsible for providing innovative ideas or for creating the conditions that foster innovation. Developing and training leaders is far more complex than merely sending aspirational leaders to a 1 week seminar. The leadership development program has to be appropriately sponsored, carefully designed, and professionally executed. Although online learning supplements other forms of leadership development, face to face interaction with other leaders and course presenters will be most likely the popular choice.